Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making Bombil fry. It's one of our personal favorite dish which we have it with dal and rice or just as a snack. So let's begin. Here I've taken 1 kg of Bombil which I've washed them, cleaned them and I've pat dried them, to which I'll be adding in my first marination. I'll be adding in half a spoon of salt as per your taste. Half spoon of garam masala powder. Half spoon of red chili powder. This is spicy one. Half spoon of turmeric powder. And mix it and rub it very well. This is gonna take the fishy smell out. Now you can see I've nicely marinated all the fish. Once you've done this, I'm gonna add in 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and rub it nicely to all the fish. Now you can see our final marination is all done. I've rubbed all the pieces of fish very nicely. We move on to the next step, which is coating them and frying them with semolina, which is rawa. So for which I have taken here 3/4 cup of semolina, to which I'll be adding in 1/4 spoon of salt, half spoon of gram flour, 1/4 spoon of red chili powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala powder. And to make it extra crispy and soft from inside, I'll be adding in half spoon of rice powder and mix this very well. So now I've mixed all the coating and it's all ready. You only make this coating and coat your fishes once you're about to fry them. Otherwise it will make it too soggy. Here I've put the pan to heat when I was making this coating, to which I'll be adding in 3 to 4 spoons of oil. And let it become hot. Once the oil is nice hot, to which I'll be adding in, first I'll be taking 1 piece of fish and coat this with semolina nicely. Make sure the gas is hot on a high heat. Don't fry it when it is on low heat, otherwise it will lose all the coating. And add in to your pan one by one. Make sure it gets coated from all. Let it cook from one side, then only we're gonna flip it over. You have to be very careful when you're frying this Bombay duck. So I'm gonna let it cook from one side and then I'm gonna flip it over. Now guys, you can see a Bombil fry is all ready. I've the trick is not to flip it every now and then. Let it cook from one side and then you can cook it from the second side. Then only you will be able to. I'll show you how nicely it's cooked. See, a rawa fry Bombil is all ready. So I'm gonna do the same and take it out in a plate. It tastes very good with dal fry, rice, or just have it as a starter. Whoever is a fish lover will know what it is. So all our Bombil fry is ready. I'm gonna do the same. Make sure you're frying it on a hot gas. See how tasty and yummy it's turned out to be. I'm gonna do the same with my second batch. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you Bombay style Bombay duck fry. Look how yummy and crispy it's become. I'll even show you how nicely it's cooked. The best thing about Bombay duck is the bone inside. You don't have much bone, it's just a thin bone which you can even chew it and it is not going to be harmful to you. So for which now I'm gonna taste and show you. I'm gonna squeeze in some lemon, break it. It's so crispy and yummy and delicious. It's marinated so well. I've used rice flour and gram flour which adds extra crispiness to it. If you don't want to add it, you can completely skip it as well, but it to enhance the taste and crispiness, I usually add when I'm frying them. It's so delicious. You can have it with pulao, you can have it with dal and rice. This recipe I've learned from my mom. She usually serves us this recipe with hot dal and rice. It tastes very, very yum. Do try the recipe the way I have showed you, and you'll enjoy your lunch or your dinner whenever you're having this. You just have it. You can also have it as a snack. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye bye.